does a roller coaster know what to do? Let's ask Joey Rukavina, the senior watch engineer at Adventuredome. Here's another episode of Coaster Fundamentals with Jessica, the theme park cat.
We're at El Loco. Over here you have the operator's console. This is where the operator knows exactly what's going on and where all the cars are. So if you look over here at these computers, you have a full video layout of the track to see where all of the cars are. That's all your brakes and your areas. And then if you look over here, you have what is called your HMI. It stands for Human Machine Interface. And this is where the operator has all of his controls to push the buttons. So you have a button that's an e-stop. If there's an emergency, you press that button. A car will stop at every brake. And then down below, you have two buttons, and it's a two-hand start. So to dispatch the cars, you have to use both hands, so you can't accidentally touch one button and let the cars go by themselves. Each section, from a brake to a brake, is a block. So right here, you have your block system. So right now, a train just left in A block. You have two cars right there and one car waiting to go. Once this train clears A block, it goes into B block. And always keeps one space in between each car.
Where are we going?
So here is our main control cabinet for El Loco the Ride. And up here, we have our main computer and all of the what's called ladder logic. It's all of the programming for the computer. So anything and everything that the ride does, there's written code for it. And then it communicates all that throughout the ride over a network. And then obviously you hear the cabinet clicking. That's relays coming in and coming off to turn things on and turn things off. Obviously we have our fuse protections. And then down here, every little station motor has its own motor controller. This big giant thing is the controller for the lift motor. So the big chain and the big motor where the car goes up the track, this is Canyon Lodge. This is 1998 technology. Obviously everything you can see, it's bigger. These store the ladder logic and the I/O in one place, where El Loco, it stores it in two places. A bunch of relays and fuses. You have your lift motor control.
That was incredible. It was so cool to be able to see behind the scenes here at Adventuredome. Joey, thank you so much for showing us all of that.
And you're so welcome. I hope this is informational and you learned something.
I learned a lot, but it also just made me want to go ride the coasters. So shall we go?
Let's go.
And let us know if you have any questions about how roller coasters work.